Ka watea.
Myself, I haven't had a fight for a couple of days, so I'm getting a bit stale, so we're going to get in there and get into it. A couple of the other brothers are looking forward to getting back in the ring as well. So the flip side to that is that one of us will be taken away through the loss. So that's why we're here, basically. See how good we are.
Matea Tihe Toa.
Now it's coming time for eliminations. Yeah, looking forward to getting back into the ring and having another go.
Hara mai rā he toa.
I think everyone's starting to open up now, so you start to understand who the different toa and what they are like now, not just the face that you see there, but behind the mask, I guess you should say. So yeah, it's pretty mean.
Ki te whai au.
I feel like my mahi is just beginning, just starting, and I'm here for a reason. I'm here to show Aotearoa that I'm a toa and I am going to stay on to the end.